My name is Sierra. I wear black hoodies, and I'm an outcast, so you know that makes me a hacker. Today, I'm gonna save the world. This guy looks tough. Let's just say he's someone who never knew what hit him. Just need to crack the mainframe. Et tu brute. Only the most super secret sinners give you 3 password attempts. Okay. First initial, last name, last 4 of social security, and special character. Damn. 1 down. This is tough. Company initials, agent number, and company mission, special character. How could that be wrong? I use such great logic. No pressure, last chance. Come on, guy, give me something. What is your password? Wait a sec, it couldn't be. The godfather of all passwords.
Access granted.
I'm in. They're gonna blow up the world. So glad my dark yet incredibly vague past as an orphan prepared me for this. Gotta get into manual override. Yes. Invalid? Okay, gotta try harder. If I create a struct group class within it info groups which are equal to .usage equals atomic init 2, multiply that by the number of countries in Asia but account for Greenwich Mean Time,